everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of the Smurfs, the 1980s Smurfs from SCHLEICH toys. And the first character I'm doing is Harmony Smurf. See, it's Harmony Smurf with his harp. In the series he always plays his harp. And then you get Farmer Smurf. As you can see, he's a farmer carrying a lot of hay. They just cut from the crops. And these toys are from 1981 to 1982. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.